Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to earn via Upwork. Whether you're just starting out or looking to boost your income, these tips will set you on the right path. So let's dive in. Your journey to making money on Upwork begins with a solid profile. You'll have to first of all make your Upwork account and create an Upwork profile. This is your first impression on potential clients, so make it count. Upload a high quality, professional photo, write an engaging overview that highlights your skills and experience, be specific about the services you offer, and showcase your best work in your portfolio. A well-crafted profile builds trust and can significantly increase your chances of getting hired. Not all skills are equally in demand on Upwork. To maximize your earning potential, focus on niches that have high demand but relatively low competition. Fields like graphic design, copywriting, web development, and digital marketing are often lucrative. If you are skilled in a specific area, such as UX design or SEO, you can command even higher rates. Take some time to research the market and position yourself in a profitable niche. Once your profile is set up, it's time to start bidding on jobs. But don't just apply on jobs, be strategic. Focus on jobs that match your skills and experience and tailor each proposal to a specific project. Start by bidding on smaller projects to build your reputation and portfolio. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can start bidding on higher paying jobs. Remember, quality over quantity when it comes to proposals. One of the keys to making consistent money on Upwork is building long-term relationship with clients. Repeat clients provide steady work and can lead to higher paying projects. To build these relationships, always communicate clearly and deliver quality work on time, and be responsive to feedbacks. Going on the extra mile can turn a one-time client into a long-term partner, which means more reliable income for you. Upwork offers several features that can help you make more money. The project catalog allows you to offer predefined services at set prices, making it easier for clients to hire you. You can also take advantage of Upwork Academy to improve your skills and stay competitive. Additionally, use Upwork's messaging and time tracking tools to maintain clear communication with clients and ensure you're getting paid for all the work you do. Once you have established yourself on Upwork, it's time to think about scaling your business. This could mean offering additional services, hiring subcontractors to help with larger projects, or even starting a small agency. Scaling allows you to take on more clients and increase your earnings without overextending yourself. Think of Upwork as not just a platform to find work, but a foundation to build a thriving freelance business. So that's how you earn via Upwork. Success on Upwork requires persistence, a strong work ethic, and a willingness to continuously improve. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on freelancing and online businesses. Thanks for watching and good luck for your Upwork journey.